Hi there. After you've installed an app, there are a few different things that you should really expect. One of those things is going to be possibly a new tab on your side navigation. Now, within inside of these tabs, you could get information about the application, possibly support, information about how to utilize it, but also you might be able to access a application where you're then able to then utilize the application or the tool. Now, another thing that you might find is that inside of your automation builder, you're going to find brand new actions and triggers. This is going to give you loads of new capabilities with your automations and is one of the main features that people love about applications. As you can see, all of the actions that are available here. Another thing that you can expect is for the capabilities for custom conversation channel providers, where you can then come down to your conversation providers here. And if you've added one, as you can see, we have this example test here for MailerLite, and you are then able to then add this to your conversation channel provider. So you can go ahead and add in your own SMS providers if you do not want to use the default that is also given to you. You can change that around here inside of your phone numbers section if you have gone ahead and set this up. Other things that you can soon expect from applications is that inside of the website builders and the funnel builders, you will soon have brand new widgets available for you to utilize to build better websites and better funnels. So when you come to here, you're soon going to find a whole bunch of new capabilities inside of your elements. And soon in the very future, you're going to be able to have applications that are going to be able to add new widget data capabilities here as well. So you could bring in all sorts of different third-party data to bring together an amazing dashboard experience. Now, one last thing that you should expect after an application is that inside of your payment integration settings, you're going to be able to have a brand new provider and to be able to create it as a default provider potentially than the original providers as well. These are all the main areas that you're going to need to check for once having an application to make sure that you've got full capability and accessibility to it.